Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how you can use Dynobot to assign different roles on your Discord server. So first of all, go to Dynobot's website and here log in with your details, then click on manage servers, and after that select the server of your choice where you want to assign the roles using Dynobot. So I'm selecting testnet, and here click on modules on left hand side, and here you will see this option of auto rules. Make sure that it is enabled, then click on setting, and here select a rule for your server. Suppose I want the new joiners to be a new member of our server for 60 minutes, so I will type in 60 and select new member, then click on add role, and this role will be added. So anyone who joins your server will be a new member for the first 60 minutes. And sometimes it might happen that you won't be able to see anything when you click on select role, and this is because you don't have any roles created on your server. So first of all, create roles on your server, and for that go to your server and then go to your server setting, and here select roles, then create role here, and suppose I want to name this new role as loyal, and I want the person to be colored as this dark pink color, and then just click on save changes, and the new role is created. Now refresh your Dynobot's website, then you will be able to see this new role here, and see loyal is added here. And that's how you add new roles to your Dynobot. Now I can select loyal and I can type in like 5000 minutes. So anyone who spends 5000 minutes in my server will be a loyal member of my server. So click on add and it is added. And that's how you can automatically assign the roles to the people who joins your server using Dynobot. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.